Hey Storm Shielders, meteorologist Jason Myers. Thursday, June 12th for us. We saw really a lot of severe weather all across the country. It was scattered, but we still saw it across the country. Today it looks like it's going to be more confined to eastern Texas, Louisiana, Arkansas, that general region there. But looking at those storm reports from yesterday, a lot of wind and a little bit of hail along the mid-Atlantic states, really from South Carolina up through Pennsylvania. One tiny tornado in Pennsylvania, and then more wind reports and a little bit of hail in mostly Oklahoma and especially Kansas. A few tornadoes were spotted in western Kansas. Most of them did very little damage. One tore the roof off of a garage and threw a few 2x4s through a garage as well, but they're going to be checking that out to make sure that was a tornado and not just some strong winds. Let's get to today, shall we? There's that risk for severe weather in eastern Texas, southern Oklahoma, Arkansas, and Louisiana. So a lot of big cities outlined in this area. Dallas, for one. We're seeing Alexandria, Monroe, Shreveport, Louisiana, Little Rock, Arkansas. So quite a few places. A large number of people could be affected by today's severe weather. Hail is going to be the biggest threat, really spanning in eastern Texas and just the corners of Louisiana and Arkansas right there. This is for extremely large hail, that area outlined in green. A wind going to be a threat as well, and generally the same area. Tornado is a small possibility, but today the biggest threat is definitely going to be that hail. Secondary would be wind, and then of course in third place is that chance for some tornadoes. Here's what's going on right now at the surface. We have some rain showers and some thunderstorms. This is left over from those storms that were affecting Kansas and Oklahoma yesterday. Well, they have since moved to the south and to the east, and they're moving through Dallas right now. Nothing is severe. In fact, they're all weakening quite a bit. Here's the million-dollar question. Once these weaken and move through, will we see redevelopment later this afternoon? And the forecast models are hinting that that could happen. In fact, the Storm Prediction Center is actually suggesting that they may have to up this to a moderate risk, from a slight risk to a moderate risk later this afternoon. This is this morning. The model has a pretty good handle on things right now. And then as we head through the afternoon, those storms really fizzle out, move through central Louisiana right there. And here we are late in the evening. This is about 7 o'clock right here. We start to see 6 and 7 o'clock, we start to see those storms redeveloping, and they could create some large hail, possibly some strong winds, and maybe even a tornado. That's what we're looking at for today. Out west, looking at a critical fire risk for the entire state of Nevada. Everybody else, it looks like corners of Oregon, parts of California, Idaho, Utah, and even Arizona under an elevated risk, but just very dry conditions, windy conditions as well. And that's what we're looking at for the day. Severe weather in East Texas, Arkansas, and Louisiana. Biggest threat's going to be hail, and then out west, it looks like the entire state of Nevada under that critical fire risk. Be careful today, and if you haven't done so already, please download Storm Shield. We'd really appreciate it. And like this video and subscribe to our channel, and I'll continue to give those severe weather updates every day. I'll see you next time.